Hello Internet, this is Dave, and today I'm going to show you a few easy ways that you can use my sample packs to enhance your marching band program. Before I get started, if you don't mind hitting that subscribe button and liking this video, it doesn't cost anything and it's fairly easy and it helps support my channel and I appreciate it. Okay, so I have a couple samples that I have brought in that are winds and percussion. So first thing I would do, now that I have everything imported, I want to make sure that it sounds good. So I'm going to consolidate these to make sure that they're not peaking. And then I'm going to put a limiter on the master channel that will just stop it from clipping. And then I'm going to listen to the audio a little bit, probably add an EQ and some multi-band compression just to balance things and give it some presence. So now that I'm done there, I already listened to it a few times and I found a few places that I could probably put some things in there to enhance moments, glue things together, and make interesting transitions. So right here, there's a rim shot and then a space and then an impact. So I'm going to look in my sample pack to see what I have. Knowing that there's like a forte piano here after that rim shot, I am gonna add this here. And I think that I might be able to automate this in a way that this texture that comes after it can add some interest to this forte piano here. Let's hear what it sounds like just dragging it in. Okay, so it doesn't really stick out, which isn't bad, but I'm going to put what's called a utility on this channel, and I'm going to automate the gain so that I can bring out this middle section. And I think that the beginning is obviously too loud, and I could just turn down the track itself, but it will bring everything down. So I'm going to click the gain, hit A for automation, and then I'm going to go through and bring this down, bring this up, and then fade it out to the end. And let's hear what it sounds like. Cool. I'm going to add a little bit of what's called OTT to just bring some vibrance out of it. So yeah, that's it for that section. So the next section is a little bit quieter, but I feel like there could be a nice transition into that. So I'm gonna go back into my sample pack and see if there's something subtle that I can't add to it. Let's see what that sounds like. So it's obviously not in the right key. So I am going to pitch it down. Still feels a little flat. Okay, so I just need to make sure that it's the right length. And then I'm gonna trim this off a little bit. Turn down the channel. Let's hear it in context again. There's some panning in there. I actually forgot to go back and do some panning to this clip. So I want this to start at the left and go to the right over time. And I want it to be in the center, right around where this crescendo maxes out. So let's hear all of this together. Still a little loud, but it serves its purpose and it was quite easy. There were only a few steps and I've already gotten 2 pretty cool effects that enhance the program. So if you made it this far, I appreciate your support. If you're interested in the sample pack that I used today, you can find it and others on my site, agentofnoise.com. I'm releasing new content all the time, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel and follow me on social media so that you get notified whenever I do. If you have any requests, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Like, comment, subscribe. 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 Like, comment, subscribe.